In this video, I'll do a quick and in-depth update on reserve rights. We'll talk a little bit about the project, but we'll also do a technical and fundamental analysis on the RSR token. So let's get right into it. First of all, I hope you're all doing great. Hope you're all having a great weekend. And yeah, it's been a while since I covered RSR. I know a lot of you traded it back in the days when they launched their protocol, and I covered it a lot then, but it has kind of dropped down kind of a lot. And I must say, and I'm not being paid to say that or something, that would be amazing if I was, but I really like this project. It's still, I mean, it's not a low market cap coin, but it's still relatively low. And I think it actually has great utility, and they are really developing their project, developing their protocol, and I think it has a bright future. So if you don't know it, if you're just coming upon this video by accident, definitely check it out, because I think it has some potential. The token, though, I mean, it has fallen a lot. It was very bullish leading up to the protocol announcement beginning of October. That was already some time ago. Volume was very high as well, but then we dropped down. We held the same levels we did during September and August. But then after the whole FTX drama, RSR was hit very hard. RSR was not a holding of FTX or Alameda Research, but there just was not enough buying power to actually support the price, and there was also not a lot of momentum to get some recovery. So is recovery coming soon? I'm not sure, because I still don't see a lot of momentum for RSR. In the end, it is also kind of a boring project. So right now, we're back at the same levels where we were at the end of the crash in May, which was one of the biggest crashes. Most cryptos are actually below that level, so over the last year, RSR has actually been performing decent, but it looks very bad right now. I 100% agree with that. Volume right now, obviously it's Sunday, so it's not really it's not really representative of what's happening, but there is some more bullish momentum for RSR. So I just wanted to take a look at it and see if we could get anywhere with that. And I actually do think so, as you can see. Now, obviously, that this all depends, and this all is based upon the assumption that we will stay in relatively stable or bullish markets. And with that, I mean that Bitcoin and Ethereum are relatively stable. If Bitcoin drops down to 15,500, forget about this analysis, because it's really based on the assumption that we will at least stay around this level. If Bitcoin is bullish, just think of this analysis as being accelerated, probably. But what you can see if we take a look at the technicals is that we just found resistance at this level right here between 420 and 430, which technically is 0.42 and 0.43 cents. But I'll name it as 420, 430. That's really our like, I mean, you could argue that we have this entire resistance level between 450 and 420 above us, which I agree with. I agree that there's resistance at 450 as well. But I think the only level we need to break above is 430. So we just hit that, we just had a bullish breakout above 400. I think we'll get up a little bit higher, but we will find resistance here. From there, we'll drop down, down towards 400. But I do think that after a consolidation here, I do think we can continue this bullish momentum and this more bullish market structure we have to break above 430. Find resistance at 450, take a break retest at 430, and then ultimately move up towards 480 and 500 again. Probably 480 first and 475, because that's already a strong resistance. But that is some decent recovery. We're far from the levels we were at, but at least it's something. And to be honest, I would even prefer that the price stays a little bit lower, so I can accumulate some more at these low prices, at least in my opinion. But yeah, so that's my full analysis on RSR. I forgot to mention that, I mean, you can clearly see that we are in a more bullish market structure. You can also see that we had somewhat more of a bearish market structure. We broke out of that. And then we also, as you can see, got that bullish breakout today, which confirms it. So that was just something I forgot to say, but this is my full update on RSR. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know down in the comments. But for now, enjoy the rest of your weekend, and bye.